Dear students, I start with lecture 26 of 201. In this topic of radius of curvature, we have discussed the second method or second formula to find the radius of curvature, and just I give you the quick recall about this method. But before that, have a look for a few minutes. So here in this equation of parametric form, x is ft, y is gt, x dot is dx by dt, we call it f dash t, y dot is dy by dt, ds t. dy by dx is dy by dt, dx by dt, and therefore it is y dot upon x dot. We say this is equation number 1. Then d square y by dx square is d by dx of dy by dx. d by dx is here, we multiplied and divide by dt, means it's a chain rule, and it is y dot upon x dot. So square of denominator, differentiation of numerator minus numerator, square of differentiation of denominator, and dx by dt, that is dt by dx, so it is 1 upon dx upon dt, and therefore it is 1 upon x dot. So we understand up to here, and therefore it is x dot y double dot minus y dot x double dot, x dot square into 1 x dot, means it is x dot cube. Say this is equation number 2. The radius of curvature rho is 1 plus dy by dx square by the previous formula upon d square y by dx square. So we put the value for both of these. So y dot square, y dot upon x dot square plus 1 raised to 3 by 2, and this formula is by equation number 2. Means it is x dot square, y dot square raised to 3 by 2 upon x dot square raised to 3 by 2, means it is x dot cube. So both these x dot cube will be cancelled mutually, and therefore we have this formula for radius of curvature. We already discussed in the previous lecture, but I give you the brief and the quick recalling. So here we have one more formula. Radius of curvature of a curve f of xy equal to 0, implicit function, ગુજરાતીમાં આપણે એને ગુડ વિધેય કહીએ છીએ. Here f of xy equal to 0. Therefore fx dx plus fy dy equal to 0. Therefore dy by dx is minus fx upon fy. We say this as equation number 1. You can understand this formula by total differentiation also, means we have the same value. And therefore, d square y by dx square square of denominator means again we use the u upon v formula. Square of denominator, differentiation of numerator minus numerator, differentiation of denominator. Can apply think you understand it or not, let me give a quick explanation. This is the differentiation of denominator, means square of denominator, fy square, denominator, differentiation of numerator, means first with respect to x means fx to f of xx, then f of xy, and that of y is minus fx upon fy by equation number 1. Minus numerator formula is that differentiation of denominator, that is first with y means fy is that, means it is f of yx plus f of yy, and as we differentiate it with respect to y, minus fx upon fy is there because of dy by dx. Have a look. So again I repeat the same. Square of denominator, differentiation of numerator means fx is there, means first with respect to x and then with respect to y. When we differentiate with respect to y, we have to apply minus fx upon fy with negative sign by equation number 1, because this is dy by dx. Minus fx, then differentiation of denominator is first with respect to x and then with respect to y, and therefore it is minus fx upon fy. So the value is equal to minus f of y, f of xx, minus fx, f of xy, minus f of xy. We have no meaning for f of xx or f of xy or f of yx, because both these values are same by Young's or Schwarz theorem. Both will apply here. Now we multiply this equation by f of y throughout. F of y, f of xx, f of y will be cancelled mutually, so it is minus fx, fy. Fy is cancelled mutually. Minus fx, f of xy. Minus fx, f of xy. And minus fx square means minus minus becomes plus, and fy is in denominator. Now we multiply this equation by f of y in denominator, also in the denominator, and also in the numerator. No meaning of this bracket. So d square y by dx square is minus sign fy square f of xx So we have fy square f of xx multiply by fy, fx, fy, fx, fy, f of xy plus fx square f of yy upon fy square becomes fy cube. Now I think you understand why we call it implicit. ગુજરાતીમાં આપણે એને ગુણ વિધેય કહીએ છીએ. એવું કેમ કહીએ છીએ એવું મને લાગે છે તમને સમજાશે. And therefore rho equal to 1 plus dy by dx square raised to 3 by 2 upon d square y by dx square. This is known formula now. So we put the values, and therefore this is equal to 1 plus minus fx upon fy square raised to 3 by 2 upon with sign of minus f of y square f of xx plus f of x square f of yy upon fy cube. We put this by equation number 2. We use here equation 1 and equation 2. So everything is on the board, but your attention is must. So here in the numerator, now I simplify only the numerator part. As there is a square, there is no meaning of my sign of minus, so it becomes 1 plus fx square fy square 3 by 2. Okay. Now we multiply here with f of y square upon fy square. Now we can split numerator and denominator. 3 by 2, 3 by 2. So can you understand, this is fy cube, it will be cancelled with fy cube in the denominator. That I am going to do. And therefore, rho is fx square fy square raised to 3 by 2 minus fy square f of xx minus 2 times fx fy fx square f of y, and this is radius of curvature formula. Actually there is a sign of minus, but this is radius of curvature. We should only think the positive values, means we are ignoring the sign of minus. Otherwise actually it is minus, but if it is negative then we should consider it as positive. Therefore there is no meaning of sign of minus. That you should keep in mind. With this I stop this lecture here. See you in the next lecture. And this is a formula. I suggest you, whenever I am writing on the board, you should write on your paper. And after lecture, you should practice it practice your writing. Improve your writing practice by writing the same theorems or the formulas for at least 2 to 3 times. So it will give you the very proper understanding of the mathematics. Thank you very much.